For 100 people, I normally use 1.5 carton or 2 cartons of chicken, depending on the sizes that I need. So for this one, I used 1.5 carton. To get it well seasoned, I divided it into 2 portions, into 2 big saucepans, so that I can have it well marinated and cooked. And oh, the black spice in it is wintia. That's Negro pepper. After seasoning this, I allowed it to marinate for about 2 hours, and then I went ahead to put it on fire. I normally prefer the coal pot for big orders because it's faster and cost effective. At this point, you just want to cover it and allow it to steam very well. You can see them cooking side by side beautifully. Oh, and about 45 minutes into the cooking time, chicken is ready. Look at the steam. Now it's time to take it off the fire and get it ready to be fried. So we strain the water from it and then warm up our oil, and voila! Our chicken is frying. Remember to always divide them so that it doesn't overcrowd in the oil. See how good they look. Thank you.